So we've got a new woofer here. Well, not a new actually, it's actually a used woofer. But this is going to be for a new build that I'll be doing in the Corona that I've got. So I currently took out the two 8s that were in there, the Shock Industries ones, which are currently in the Jackaroo, which you probably saw in my last video. If you saw it, the build I did with 4 8s. So I needed a replacement woofer. So this, I bought, as I said, it's second hand. The reason I bought it second hand is these are like $1,600 new. So what I've got in pretty average condition, but this is the original box. But here we have a JL Audio W710, which is most definitely a big 10. These weigh I think about 16 kilos, 750 RMS, and as you'll see here, there's a lot of excursion in that woofer. I'm just pushing on it. Now the only thing that's missing is these normally have a clamp ring around the top. This has got, it's a piece of metal that someone's welded to do that, and the reason that goes on is because the actual mounts for the W7s are under the basket. That's where you actually mount the woofer. So and this kind of clamps over and keeps the foam on. Now this would work just fine, don't get me wrong, but I'm going to be building this in a 4th order bandpass, something I'm not going to want to get back into. So I am going to source the proper ring. We actually sell them at work. We are a supplier for JL Audio, so hopefully I should be able to get one of those rings anyway. I have found them on eBay, but they're about 150 bucks to get one over here from the States. So there's the terminals there. So a single 3 ohm JL W710, and that'll be for my Corona build. And it's in pretty good nick. It's got a few little marks around it, but overall not bad. Now here's just some average size. These are decent size, but some average size 10s. And these are Fahrenheit ones. I'll just grab one of these. So let's put it next to it for comparison. So that's also a 10 inch. So the actual size there is similar. These are a little bit bigger. This looks kind of bigger because it's got the mounting ring on the outside, but it is a beast, and that's by no means a small 10. These are rated at 600 to 800 RMS as well, but it is a monster and very high excursion woofer. So anyway guys, I just wanted to show you that one, so stay tuned. We are going to be doing a build with that in the Corona here. I'm going to do a 4th order bandpass that'll be in the back there, so that's coming soon. Just thought I'd do a quick little video and show you that. I haven't had time to build anything or do anything else this weekend, but I just thought I'd show you the latest edition that I got here.